The Hoverfly Ourea. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Hoverfly Ourea electric bike. Here's a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. It's packaged well with a lot of foam and plastic protecting it. Assembly is required and the user guide walks you through the process. Inside it comes with a charger, user guide, tools, pedals, fenders, and a frame bag. And just to highlight the assembly process, basically you have to install the handlebars, the front wheel, attach the front and rear fenders, attach the front light, the pedals, and then the seat. Going over some specs, this has a 500 watt rear hub motor, 750 watt peak, 374 watt hour removable lithium ion battery, 40 mile range, 20 mile per hour top speed, 26-inch tires, 5 pedal assist levels and a thumb throttle, Shimano 7-speed, mechanical disc brakes, front lights, front fender and rear fender. It weighs in at 53.5 pounds and has a max load of 264 pounds. I'll walk through around the bike. You'll see that the front has a front light, front suspension, front fender, 26-inch tires, and mechanical disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back, you have the battery keyhole, charging port, kickstand, mechanical disc brakes, and rear fender. On the other side, you have the 500 watt rear motor, 7-speed cassette, and rear derailleur. And finally, looking at the handlebar area, you have the brake levers, the bell, controls, thumb throttle, and gear shifter. So to turn on the bike, make sure you have the switch here in the on position by the battery. Once that's on, go ahead and press the power button on the control here. You can see it's small and very simple. Pressing the mode button will cycle through the pedal assist modes. There's 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then pressing it again will turn it off and start from the beginning. You have the light button right here, so you press it, hold it down, and that will activate the front light. It also has a walk assist feature, so if you hold the mode button down for a few seconds, it will activate. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. I'm going to take it down this trail. It's pretty bumpy. The bike does have front suspension forks with a lockout feature. Currently the lockout feature is off, so the suspension should go to work. So let's see how it handles. All right, rough terrain test. All right, it's absorbing the bumps. The seat is a little bit on the firm side, so it's a bit uncomfortable, but it's handling it all right here onto the gravel. Now I'm going to do the speed test. The bike does have 5 pedal assist levels along with a thumb throttle. I'll start off with the pedal assist 1 through 5 and see how fast each level goes. Then I'll go ahead and just do the thumb throttle. All right, here we go, speed test. Okay, pedal assist 1, we're hitting about 10 miles an hour, 8 to 10 miles an hour. Pedal assist 2. About 13. Moving to pedal assist 3. About 15 miles an hour. Moving to 4. We're at 19 and 5. You can feel the pickup with that. And we hit about, let's see, 22 miles per hour so far. So 22 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. So with the pedal assist, we reached 22 miles per hour top speed. Now I'm just gonna do the thumb throttle. So let's see how fast we can go. Here we go. All right, we're up to 16 miles an hour, 19. Very smooth pickup, and you can feel the power. We're at 20 now. We're topping off at 22 miles per hour. We hit 22. So 22 miles per hour with the thumb throttle only.
Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference.
Now I'm gonna do the uphill test. I'm gonna take it up this road here. Has a nice steady incline. Let's see if it loses speed or maintains the speed. We saw that with the speed test. We reached 22 miles per hour. So let's see how it does. All right, again, nice smooth acceleration. The motor is very quiet. We're at about 20, 21. So it looks like we're gonna begin the climb at about 21 miles per hour. Here we go, up the incline here. Holding about 19, just losing a little bit of speed, 20, but it's powering through here, plenty of power. There's a little bit of downhill into this turn. With the uphill test, it was able to power through with no issues. We began the climb at 21 miles per hour and lost just a little bit of speed down to 19. Now we'll do the downhill test. Let's see how it handles. All right, here we go, downhill test. All right, we're about 17 miles per hour, 20. Into the turn here, I'm just gonna let it glide. Nice and stable, there's no rattles or vibrations, very quiet. So it looks like we're topping off at about 22 miles per hour going downhill.
Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly process was straightforward and the user manual walks you through it. I didn't run into any issues. The paint is a matte black finish. There were no imperfections during the shipping process. I like that it comes with the front light and fenders. The bike feels solid. The cables are well organized and the majority are ran through the frame. The saddle is on the firm side and it was a bit uncomfortable during the longer rides, so it's definitely something that you would look into upgrading. The handlebars are decent length. The steering felt stable and tight, no rattles or vibrations. It handled the rough surfaces pretty well. The front suspensions absorbed the bumps. The 500 watt motor, 750 watt peak was adequate. It was able to handle the inclines with minimal speed loss and maintained about 19 miles per hour. With pedal assist and thumb throttle, I reached 22 miles per hour. This has an advertised max speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 40 miles. But this will depend on the throttle usage, your pedal assist level, weight, and environment that you're in. The mechanical disc brakes were decent, but I would have liked to have seen a bit more grab. The controls are simple, easy to use. It's not the typical large LCD display that you find on other bikes. Overall, I feel the bike is capable and has good value. This would be something to consider for those that are just entering the e-bike market. It's priced very competitively. So that is my review of the Hoverfly Ourea electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.